Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Wisdom and welcome to this tutorial video here. And in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Windows update error 0x80070643. So I'm going to show you two methods to fix the problem. And the first one is go to search option here and select services and click it to open and scroll all the way down here. And here you can see Windows event collector, double click it to open. And here select this one as automatic, and after that click apply and then click OK. Then go to the next one, Windows event log, double click it to open again and select this also as automatic one and just click apply and then OK. And after doing this two, scroll down a little more and select Windows updates here, double click to open and select automatic also and select apply and then OK. After doing all those three, restart your PC and see if the problem is fixed or not. And if if the problem is still there, go to the search option again and search command prompt, that is cmd, and select run as administrator and select yes here. And after that you have to give some comment here. I'm going to provide those comments to the description. First copy this command here from here, copy and paste it here and select enter and do the same thing for all the four command, copy and just paste. And after doing that, restart your PC and I hope your problem will be fixed. So this is the video and I hope this is a helpful video for you, and I will catch you guys in the next video.